As the former head of a large nursing home chain could spend the rest of his life in federal prison, James Burkhart arrested today, accused of fraud in a $16 million scheme. The feds say his former company, American Senior Communities, and you, the taxpayer, are the true victims in this case. Call 6 Investigates Kara Kenny has been following that story since the start, and she joins us now with the very latest. Kara.
Melissa, the feds are calling this a case of unbridled greed. James Burkhart was a millionaire. He was the CEO of American Senior Communities, overseeing facilities like this one. But the feds say he still wanted more. According to the 32-count indictment, Burkhart, along with the former COO, Daniel Benson, and Burkhart's friend and brother, ran a money laundering scheme. They allegedly opened up shell companies to hide the kickbacks. The men used the money allegedly to fund vacation homes, golf trips, and expensive jewelry. The FBI raided Burkhart's Carmel mansion last September. The U.S. Attorney's Office says even though Burkhart made $1.5 million in 2014 as American Senior Communities CEO, it still wasn't enough.
Ultimately, it belonged to taxpayers because the money that funded these defendants' side deals, the money that funded these kickbacks, came from Medicare and Medicaid, taxpayer-funded programs, taxpayer-funded health care programs that we all depend on to take care of the elderly, the poor, and the weak.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says they are still not finished investigating and more charges could be on the way. Tonight on the news at 6, hear from families as they sound off on the arrests and their concern for their loved ones inside facilities like these. We're live in Indianapolis. I'm Call 6 Investigates, Kara Kenny.
Kara, thank you. The Indiana Healthcare Association releasing a statement on today's arrest saying American Senior Communities have made robust leadership changes and that these, quote, disappointing events have not impacted their ability to provide excellent care. Residents or families with any concerns are being asked to talk to their administrator or their facility. Now, we've created this interactive graph that shows each of the suspects and the shell companies investigators say they used to pull off this scheme. You can check it out by heading to our website, theindychannel.com.